As most of you probably already know by now in your class discussions, there are three different layers that are within this file. One is the image itself, and then the topography that was created possibly from that image, and then using graded regions, there was a new topography that was created underneath the original one for existing contours, which is great because then when you're grading and you're modifying the surfaces of the original topography, if you bring this back a little, you can see that the hidden lines underneath will show, and it's great for showing the cut and the fill. Now, most of you know this already, so the real question is, how do you change your solid lines out here in this part of the site that you're not going to be working with so that they're showing hidden? Well, I tried demolish, line work, changing individually each one of these contours, and because it's all one piece here, these individual contours, even when it's under the edit mode, just don't want to be changed. So my best answer, and this is a good question, is to use split surfaces. And when you use split surfaces, you can split the surface so that basically you have two different topographies. Now, later you can merge them, but if you split them, then you can change the split surface that you're not using to the existing conditions or get rid of it altogether. I wouldn't get rid of it because later on you might need to merge it again. And subregions are really used to draw some of this geometry on top, although I can see that several people are using detailed lines with filled regions, which can work also. So you would then pick split surfaces and select the topography that you want to split. And I know that this isn't the extent of your project, but I'm just doing this as a quick example. If I came around here on the topography to split it, I would then have two topo surfaces or topography. If I select this one here, I can change it to the phase here that would be existing. And when I do that, now I can select this image and hide it in view elements. When I do that, now all of this is going to be hidden. Basically, there are two different hidden lines there. The one that's underneath it that's existing, and this one. I would think that you'd want to keep it just in case you want to merge these two back together because you might want to modify it. And this line will print. So when you're creating your split region, you'll need to kind of follow one of these contours around to split that region. This quick video just talks about the answer to the question about contour lines, but there are several other tools that we'll be talking about, like thin lines and being able to join lines and modified line styles for your wall section and other things that we'll be working together with in the next couple of days.